Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Faiza Tiasuti. I want to present an article entitled Islamic Law and Gender Equality, Challenge and Reform in Sri Lanka, Muslim Marriage and Divorce Acts. The title of this journal is Islamic Law and Gender Equality, Challenge and Reform of Muslim Marriage and Divorce Laws in Sri Lanka. This journal was written by Samila Dawood. This journal discusses the challenges and reforms of Muslim marriage and divorce laws in Sri Lanka. This journal was published on August 31, 2024. This journal can be obtained on the internet. This journal includes the Journal of Islamic Law. The reason this journal was chosen is because it discusses the challenge faced by Muslim women in Sri Lanka regarding family law and reform effort. This journal is very important for Muslims. With this journal, we can understand the relationship between Islamic law and gender equality. This article discusses the relationship between Islamic law and gender equality. This article understands how Islamic family law can create tension between religion, tradition, and modern principle of justice. The advantage of this article is that it raises sensitive issues such as child marriage, gender discrimination in divorce, and the role of women in decision making such as Qazi judges. This article critically analyzes the existing legal structure but also offer reforms to Islamic principle. This article attempts to reform the MMDI despite resistance from conservative groups, reflecting the large dynamic between tradition and modernity in Islamic law. This article can understand how religion law can be reformed to reflect the principle of justice and human rights. However, this article also requires further discussion, especially regarding how to create a balance between respecting religion identity and fulfilling demands for gender equality. This article can be a guide for policymakers, academics, and activists fighting for reform of Islamic family law. I took this journal because I want to understand how the principle of Islamic law support gender equality, which is a global issue is in many countries with Muslim population. I want justice to be served. Sri Lanka MMDI, which regulates marriage and divorce among Muslims, has come under fire for failing to uphold gender equality, particularly in areas such as child marriage and unequal divorce rights. The MMDI does not set a minimum age for marriage, making it vulnerable to early marriage. Women are also often included for serving as judges in Qazi courts, the body that oversees Muslim family legal disputes. Reform effort meets resistance from conservative groups, who argue that change the MMDI threatened religion, identity, and autonomy. However, reform advocates highlight that gender equality is in line with Islamic principles. They called for change, including setting a minimum age for marriage, allowing women to become qazis, and ensuring equal rights in divorce and inheritance. Sri Lanka broader legal framework influenced by international human rights treaties has advocated for reform. Feminine groups and civil society organizations continue to push for updates to the MMDI that reflect Islamic values and modern principles of equality. This issue reflects a large global tension between tradition and reform of Islamic family law, with Sri Lanka emerging as a prime case study in balanced religion, law, and gender justice.